Good morning, dear children. Welcome back to the class. So let's start with our today's class. So children, let's start with our new lesson, that is time. Before starting with it, children, let's do a quick recap of our previous chapter, subtraction. So here are two questions, children, which you have to answer to these questions. First question is, can we subtract 7 tenths and 2 ones? Can we subtract 7 tenths and 2 ones? So you know, children, that when we do subtraction, we subtract ones with ones, tens with tens, isn't it? So same places we subtract, isn't it? But here it is different places, tens and ones. So the answer is no. Second, subtract 27 minus 5 mentally. So can we subtract this two-digit number mentally, children? Yes. If you separate this, if you expand this, children, 27, 7 comes in ones place, 2 comes in tens place. So 5 is one digit number, so it is 5 ones. So we can subtract ones with ones. What is here? 7 ones. That is 7 minus 5. What it is? 2 ones. So what remains here? 2 tens. So we can write 2 tens here. So if you place in the, if you form the number, children, what will you get? 22. Understood? So let's start with our today's class. Students will know the appropriate use of the words like earlier, later and shortly. So children, you will know where to use these words. So I'll show you one video, children. This video is in the YouTube, so you can see if you want to see in the link also.
Today, let us learn about earlier and later. These words are usually used to tell the happening of an activity with respect to another.
So children, these words earlier and later, where it is used generally to tell the activity which is happening with respect to
Let's
another.
begin. Look at Sonia. She is brushing her teeth. Now she is having her breakfast.
Now children, you can see she is Sonia and she is doing brush here, and here she is having breakfast. So what she must be doing before? Brushing or breakfast? So she brushed her teeth, then she have her breakfast, isn't it? So children, what she did first? Brush. So this is earlier, and what she did after is your later. Before is earlier and after is later. Understood?
We know that we should first brush our teeth and then have breakfast. So, the activity of brushing her teeth is said to happen earlier, whereas the activity of having breakfast is said to happen later. Let us look at another example. First, a bud is formed and then it blooms into a flower.
So what is earlier, children? This is bud is earlier and then it blooms a flower. So this is later. This is first, this is second. So this comes first and this comes second. So this is earlier, this is later.
We can say that the activity of formation of a bud happens earlier, while the activity of it blooming into a flower happens later. Remember, an activity which happens before another activity is said to happen earlier. An activity which happens after another activity is said to happen later.
So children, what is the difference between earlier and later? The activity which is done before is earlier, before another activity. Okay. So this is earlier, and the activity which is done after the other activity, children, that is your later. Is it clear about these two words? your earlier and later? So children, in page number 12 of your book, you can see there, Bunty went to a wild safari with his parents. He told his classmates the names of the animals he saw from the beginning to the end of his visit. He told from beginning to the end. Okay. So can you also describe events in a sequence? All the events, all the activities, what he did, children. Can you describe in sequence? Sequence means what? Children, suppose we have breakfast in the morning, right? Then lunch in the afternoon and dinner at night. Okay, so first what comes? Breakfast, then comes lunch, then comes dinner. So I have arranged this in sequence, one after the another, what I do from morning. For morning, afternoon, night. So children, these three I have arranged in sequence. So this is sequence. Clear? Next, in page number 12, you can see here, we wake up when the sun rises. We get ready and go to school. We study and have lunch. After returning home, we play with our friends. After studying and completing homework, we have dinner and go to bed. This is, children, all is arranged in sequence, starting from morning till end, till night. It is arranged in sequence, okay? So the word earlier, later. Earlier is means before, later means after. Okay? Is it clear? So children, you can do one example in your book. Is given here. You can see page number 13. So tick the correct word. The sun rises in the sun rises, children, you have to tick the correct answer option. Which is the correct option? Whether it is morning or evening. The sun rises in the morning. So you tick this answer. Next, B. We go to school in the morning or evening? We go to school in the morning. So the correct answer is morning. You can tick here. Next, C. We play in the morning or evening? We play in the evening. Next, D. The day is the hottest. When it is hottest, children? In the morning or at noon? Noon means what? Your 12 p.m. 12 o'clock. Day 12 o'clock. Okay. So that is called at noon. At that time, children, the sun is on the top. So it is hottest. So the day is hottest at the noon. And in the morning, we don't feel hot, right? Then next, we have our lunch in the afternoon or evening. Lunch time is what? Lunch time is afternoon. Next, when it is dark, it is afternoon or night. When it is dark, children, what it is? It is night. So have you all done? Okay, then let's move to next. Example 1, children. Take out page number 14 of your book. Tick the activities which is done earlier in the given pairs of activities. Okay. One is done for you. So you have to choose which activity is done earlier. Earlier. We have to choose here earlier. Okay. Earlier means before. Rising in the morning or cycling, children, what we do first? Rising in the morning, right? So this is earlier. So you can tick here. This is how you have to do all, and you will try yourself. Okay. Then let's see our next example 2. Write earlier and later for the given pairs of activities one is done for you. So children, earlier means before and later means after. So same here, play and going to school. So children, you have to choose which is earlier and which is later. Okay, same applies to here, and you have to write the spelling. Clear? So these 2 examples, children, you can do it in your book itself. Now before concluding, children, let's answer to these questions. Write one activity you do in the morning. What activity you do in the morning, children? When you wake up in the morning, what activity do you do? So you can write that. Next, Which of these activities is done earlier? Showering, waking up in the morning, having dinner and having lunch. So what do we do early? Choose the correct answer. We'll discuss this answer in our next class. Okay? So the new words which we have learned today is your earlier, later, shortly. The word shortly means what, children? Soon. Suppose any work which you are going to complete, which is not completed but you are going to complete, will say my work is going to be completed shortly. That means soon. Okay? Is it clear with this, children? So that's all for today. Thank you so much.